Here it is, a 1957 E-Bird. The E denotes the first digit of the VIN number, meaning it has the twin Holley 4 barrels on it, 270 horsepower. Just Google the rest of it. So it's been sitting up for a little while. I guess that was the last time it was on the road. 2005 looks like. So is that 2019? We got it running. We fixed the electrical problem. Had some burnt wires between the ignition switch and the ignition switch and the starter and the ignition coil. So we replaced those wires. Fixed all of that. We've got the brand new tires on it. They're Coker radial tires, simulating the bias ply, and we're running and driving. It needs work, of course, but our main goal was to get it cleaned up, running and driving. Topped off all the fluids, changed the oil. Still has the factory canister on it. Runs and drives pretty good. Yeah, brake lights, that's good. Well, that's a milestone.